So today we will learn how to take input in PHP server-side programming. So as we are using PHP here for server-side programming, so I will start with comments first. So I'll write user input in PHP. User input in PHP. So how to get user input in PHP, that we will learn today. So here I will take one variable, say num, and this variable is being picked up from user. So I will use a read line function, read line function, and here I will write enter a number, and then I will print its value by using echo command. So echo value entered is, then I will write here $num. So in this one, what is happening? Read line is getting input from user, and that we are printing on screen. So you need to just run this program, but before that, all the time you need to keep in mind, as this is a PHP program, so you need to you need to start with a PHP tag, and then I am doing here, and I have started PHP tag, then I will close it as we do in HTML. Similarly here PHP also a preprocessor programming language. So we have to start with the this PHP start tag, and this is the end tag, and now you can run it and see it. Here as you are waiting, you need to give some input. Say I'll give here 50, then again execute it please. So what you have got, value entered is 50. So again, similarly, if I want to find out sum of two numbers by user input, so again I'll have to do the same thing. Go ahead with same input, say enter first number, and say assume it is A, and take another number, say B, and you can put here B equal to read line, then enter second number, So when you are writing this, entering second number, again enter first number and then enter second number. Now when you have done this, you need one more variable please, because that the sum we are going to keep somewhere in some variable for temporary purpose. So here I will be using $b, and then this will be, we will be entering two inputs, and we will be getting output as in S variable. So then you need to print S, but keep in mind when I'll run this program, see, as I am doing mathematical calculations, so this by default read line gives you text format in that will be in a string format. So here you need to convert it, so you will be converting whatever input is coming up, then only you will be able to add it. So here I have written int, means whatsoever input you are getting from user, that will be converted to integer, and finally that will be assigned to variable A. Similarly, in another line we are doing the same thing, getting another number and converting that number to integer, and then after having converted, we are assigning that value to a variable, that is B. And then in the third line I am giving one statement to sum of them, and when A and B are summed up, then those the sum is being assigned to S variable, and then finally I am printing it. So now you can run this. When you will run it, you will have to give some value here please. Say, because input is there, you can give, say I will give here input 10, and for another one I will give 20. So run it and you will get the output. So it is giving 10 plus 20 is a 30, because first number was A, second number was B. So like this you can make much more programs. You can get user inputs, and on the basis of that you will be getting it, and then by doing so you will be having your program done. Thank you. Please.